Well, hello everyone, it's Lauren here with the Pavement Ends channel. Thanks for joining in. Hey, so we've done a video or two in the past about some of the things I like to do to prep before I go out on my trips. And one of the things I thought I'd just show off a little bit is the emergency food supplies. Now, I keep plenty of water on board, so I won't really talk about that. But one of the things that I like to do is keep a good supply of non-perishable food on board. So obviously here you're seeing a bunch of cans spread out all over the place. So what's prompted me to do this little video for you guys is I've got some stuff that's on the verge of expiring. One of the things I do too is on the tops of my cans I put the dates. Like here I got some mandarin oranges in a can, and so I've labeled it mandarins, and it expires November 21. I just write it on, get it off the printing on the can and write it on the top so I can quickly see what's ready to go. So here's what I got going here. I got 3 cans of peaches, and they're expiring in May of 2020, and so that's where we are. So those are coming out of the bin. So I have gotten some new peaches. And these are set to expire in June 2021. So I'll put peach on there, 0621. And I'll label them all similarly. And I've also got, let's see, what else have I got in here? I carry sardines. They're just excellent protein. They're about the best you can get for protein. So I carry a bunch of tins of that in here. And this tin is expiring in July of 2020. And that's about right. So I'll take that out. And I got a couple of new ones. These don't expire till March of 23. So those will go in there. I carry a lot of Spam singles. There's a lot of fat and salt and protein that you're going to need if you're out in any kind of a survival situation. And this one expires, I think, June of 2020, it says on there. I've been in there a while. So we're going to get rid of that one out of there. And I got some newer ones. Beans. Got some cans of beans that'll go into the emergency pack. Those are good for protein as well. And there's bread. Brown bread that comes in a can. Yeah, this may not be a vital survival tool, but I have some space. So I'm going to put 2 or 3 of these cans of brown bread in the back of the rig. And that's kind of it for the canned goods and the pouched goods. I like to also carry a few of these Mountain House style packets. Now these aren't the best things in the world. I've had a couple of different flavors, and let's just say that some are better than others, but none of them are really like what I'd call an awesome meal. Okay, so I'll point out that if you're packing cans of food with you even for survival, make sure you got 2 or 3 different kinds of can openers with you. Like most of this stuff in my kit, I look for stuff with the pop tops, so I don't have to rely on a can opener if some kind of emergency comes up. So anyway, all this food, all this stuff, I'm going to cram as much as I can into 3 or 4 of these bins, and then I can stash these bins in different places in the 4Runner, and I'll get to it. Well guys, thanks for joining me for this little Workshop Wednesday edition. Hopefully we'll be out on the road soon. So until then, we'll see you guys out on the back roads. Thanks for watching.